In this video, we're taking an honest look at BrightWork, a project and portfolio management tool built on Microsoft SharePoint, and while it offers useful structure for organizations managing multiple projects, it's important to understand where it excels and where it may feel limiting. BrightWork provides ready-made templates, customizable dashboards, and solid reporting features that help teams move beyond spreadsheets and gain clearer visibility into tasks, risks, and project health. Its integration with Microsoft 365 is a major advantage for companies already using that ecosystem, making collaboration and document management feel familiar. However, some users note that BrightWork can feel like a structured layer on top of SharePoint rather than a fully standalone platform, and deeper customization may require technical support. Smaller teams or those not already committed to SharePoint may find the setup and learning curve heavier than expected. Overall, BrightWork is a strong fit for medium to large organizations seeking standardized project workflows, but may be more tool than smaller teams truly need. Stick around and subscribe for more honest tech reviews.